My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Meet Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge, and now Queen Consort. From elegant gowns to chic street style, Kate's fashion sense has captivated the world. Let's take a journey through her stunning wardrobe from before marriage to royal duties. Before marriage 2005, Kate's early style was characterized by bold colors, statement pieces, and high street brands. She favored Isa's and Jigos. Isa's iconic engagement dress 2009, Rice's white shirt dress 2010, Chek's flora dress 2008. Kate's style evolved. She chose timeless, elegant designs. A Duchess Kate's style became more refined, often incorporating British designs. As Queen Consort, Kate's style has become even more regal and reflecting her new role. From the 2012 Olympics Games to the 2022 Jubilee celebrations, Kate's fashion movement have made headlines. The iconic red Olympic dress 2012, the stunning Jubilee outfit 2022, the elegant St. Patrick's Day coat 2019. Kate Middleton's fashion journey is a testament to her timeless style and elegance. From commoner to Queen Consort, her wardrobe has captivated the world. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Kate Middleton from commoner to Queen Consort, and get ready to be inspired by her timeless style and elegance. Before marrying Prince William, Kate's style was characterized by bold colors, statement pieces, and high street brands. As Prince William finances, Kate's style evolved to timeless, elegant designs. As Duchess, Kate's style became more refined, often incorporating British designers. Jenny becomes evening gowns. Alexander McQueen formal dresses. Emilia elegant coats. As Queen Consort, Kate's style has become even more regal, reflecting her new role. From the 2012 Olympics Games to the 2022 Jubilee celebrations, Kate's fashion movements have made headlines. Kate Middleton's fashion journey is a testament to her timeless style and elegance. From commoner to Queen Consort, her wardrobe has captivated the world. Kate supports various charities focusing on children's welfare and education. She patron of the Nation Portrait Gallery and the Natural History Museum. Kate's charitable efforts extend to the mental health awareness. Kate's style influences global fashion trends. She features on Vogue LA and Harper's Bazaar covers. Kate's elegance earns her best dresses. Kate undertakes engagements sporting Queen Elizabeth. She attends state visits, Commonwealth events, and royal ceremonies. Kate's royal role promotes British culture and interest. Kate balanced royal duties with motherhood. She prioritized Prince George, Prince Charlotte, and Prince Louis' upbringing. Kate's pretending style emphasized stability and morality. Kate and Prince William marriage is built on mutual support. They share parental responsibilities and royal duties. Kate's partnership with Prince William strengthens the monarchy. Kate enjoys tennis, sailing, hiking, and photography. She is an avid reader, fond of literature and history. Kate values travel, exploring new cultures. Kate handles media attention with poise and grace. She prioritizes mental health, managing stress. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in comment box what would you like to see next. And who can forget Kat's stunning dresses designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen. This lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks. Like this, her iconic red carpet looks gorgeous. Jenny Beckham gown. Kat dresses are always a hit and we cannot get enough of them. But Kat's style is not just limited to formal events. Her everyday outfits are always classic and reliable. From classic trench coats to stylish sneakers. Kat's wardrobe staples are must-have for any fashion lover. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So where you can find dresses like Kat's, from high-end designers like Alexander McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget, and don't forget to check out online retailers like Net-a-Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. Thanks for watching, lovies. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day, from fashion tips and trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any requests for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. From her stunning wedding dresses to her chic everyday outfits, Kat fashion sense is always on point. So in this video, we will dive into some of her most memorable looks and show you where to find similar dresses and outfits. Whether you are a loyal fan or just a fashion lover, you won't want to miss this video. So please subscribe to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. And let us know in the comments below what would you like to see next. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice, to help you live your best life. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. Thanks again for watching this video. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers on my channel, you will get to see the latest fashion, trend and style from American woman, English woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.